वो पता नहीं, लोग कभी कभी देते हैं कभी नहीं देते हैं, जो नहीं देते हैं वो क्यों नहीं देते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, पर दे देंगे तो सबकी लाइफ आसान हो जाएगी। फॉर दिस फिल्म टू इवन बी अ हिट वी डोंट इवन नीड सो मच मनी। मैडम हम तो एक पंख से उड़ते हैं, एक पंख से अपना इज्जत बचाते हैं। अगर एक फिल्म पहुंच जाती है तो मुझे लगता है कि उसका सक्सेस वहीं पे है। हाय, माय नेम इज रिचा चड्डा एंड यू आर वाचिंग मी ऑन बॉलीवुड हंगामा। कीप वाचिंग।
All these newspaper reports that Richa Chadda is the next Anushka Sharma and all. What do you make of it? Are you apparently you've been offered 2 big films? Can you just talk about it?
I will give the details out soon. I don't want to jump the gun and announce something. As of now, I'm doing a very interesting short film with Meera Nair that will start in August sometime.
Okay. What is it called?
You're the first person who's hearing this. So
Lucky.
it's I don't know, the title is still being discussed. It's a short film. I have a short role in it with a lot of other actors. It's an ensemble cast film. But Meera Nair is my hero and I love her. So I would do anything, with her, for her. And she also comes from Barry's training, Barry Sir's training and things like that. So I have great respect for her. I love her work. And there's another commercial film that should be finalized soon, and again I'll read the script. I always just have to read the script. वो पता नहीं, लोग कभी कभी देते हैं कभी नहीं देते हैं, जो नहीं देते हैं वो क्यों नहीं देते हैं मुझे नहीं पता, पर दे देंगे तो सबकी लाइफ आसान हो जाएगी।
I think that's how it functions. It is organized, but at the same time, it is disorganized. जैसे आपने अभी कहा that Meera Nair, you'll do almost anything for her, but at the same time, what we discussed earlier, that you've said that you don't want to be a prop in a film. So अगर आप
नहीं, I've read the script for the short film. Yes, I'm very happy with what I have. It's a beautiful script, and again I don't want to jump the gun, and it's something that's part of something huge internationally. But what she's doing in India is short and sweet, and I would love to support it in any way in which I can.
And you've also said somewhere that I will never date anybody in Bollywood. So why is that? मतलब कि मोहब्बत के ऊपर क्या कोई पाबंदियाँ हैं क्या?
नहीं, मोहब्बत पे बिल्कुल कोई पाबंदी नहीं है। मोहब्बत ऐसी भी चीज़ नहीं है जिसको हम कैलकुलेट करके कर सकते हैं। मेरा कहना ये था, और अगेन पता नहीं, शायद मुझे इंटरव्यू देने की ट्रेनिंग लेनी पड़ेगी सबसे पहले यहाँ पहुँच के।
प्रिंट में बहुत बार होता है।
होता है, ठीक है, तो लाइव में यहाँ तो मिस कोटिंग की चांस नहीं है।
यहाँ पर हम लोग
भाई बाद में पॉलिटिशियंस की तरह कह सकती हूँ कि मेरा चेहरा आपने मॉफ कर दिया शायद, बस मैक्सिमम।
हम लोगों की खासियत ये है कि दैट वी प्रेजेंटेड द वे इट इज। ये हम लोगों की खासियत है, दैट इज द स्पेशलिटी ऑफ बॉलीवुड हंगामा।
नो, व्हाट आई मेंट वाज कि मतलब दो लोग साथ में हो तो दे शुड सी ईच अदर्स फेसेस। नाउ आई लिव विद माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड फ्रॉम दिल्ली हु इज माय रूममेट फॉर द पास्ट मेनी इयर्स. And I have lots of plants and I have one cat. Every time I go for a shoot, we go crazy coordinating with each other. Ab to you can't go there, you can't go there, you can't travel. So I'm saying that if just being single and living on your own in Mumbai, a crazy city like Mumbai, you have to coordinate so much. Imagine if you marry somebody and they are also traveling. How much headache it must be for the practical things. I mean, like the EMIs and all the other adult problems. And having a pet is like having a child. Somebody has to be there always to take care of them. I definitely want somebody who's in a slightly different profession, because then that'll give us more time together.
Last question. Gangs of Wasseypur, lot of hype surrounding it before it released. Did not start with a bang at the box office. Ultimately, one is judged with box office in Bollywood. You don't like the term Bollywood, I believe. Okay, and but at the same time, do you think that apparently Monday it is doing well, which you just told me about, but are you just does it bother you? Do you think about it that a film which has so much hype around it, it's got very good reviews as well, but maybe शायद आम जनता जो है उतना शायद appreciate नहीं करे? Does it bother you?
नहीं, मुझे तो in fact what happened on Friday was somebody said that it's not opened well. So we were all thinking about what's happening, but by the time Friday night happened, we heard that it was houseful everywhere, and it has done good business. I'll come back to you with the numbers. I'm not a numbers person, as you know. I'm a new baby in this industry, but it's doing really well because my family has gone and returned from the theatre twice. Because there were no seats available, and I live in Delhi, like my parents are in Delhi. I have family in Bihar also, and it's doing really well, and I'm happy for it, because for this film to even be a hit, we don't even need so much money, because इसकी लागत जिस तरह के अनुराग कश्यप ने इस तरह की निर्देशन और प्रोडक्शन, the way it's combined, it's not going to be a problem for it to be a hit. In fact, I'm very confident that it will not just be a hit, it will be a super hit. And I'm not saying I hope, I pray, I'm confident, because I have seen I went on promotional tours to all the small towns. एंड आई हैड माई वॉचमैन टेलिंग मी कि मैडम हम तो एक पंख से उड़ते हैं, एक पंख से अपना इज्जत बचाते हैं. तो व्हेन इट रीचेज उस सोसाइटी के उस तबके तक अगर एक फिल्म पहुंच जाती है तो मुझे लगता है कि उसका सक्सेस वहीं पे है. और मुझे पूरा कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ये बहुत चलेगी. और चलेगी ही नहीं, सिर्फ ये उस तरह की फिल्म होगी जैसे शोले के पुराने वक्त में हम डायलॉग सुनते रहते थे, पार्ट 1 and 2 when they both release, that will be a box set of DVDs that people would like to keep, watch over and over again and quote from.
Absolutely, in a sense, I really don't know about the box office status, but I can definitely say that it is going to be a cult film for sure, and it will be remembered for whatever it is worth. Fantastic. That was Richa Chadda, very young and different sort of actress that we have amongst us, who does not say the obvious and the usual. That is the best part. So thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hungama, and lovely to have you. And all the best wishes for Gangs of Wasseypur Part 1 and Part 2, and all your future ventures. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. That's all we have from Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.